Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Quick Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines and comics. And today we are looking at this one, which is issue number 15 of the ImagineFX magazine for March 2007. So let's get into this one. So Felipe the Fox is with us again. He's having a right good time so far looking at these ImagineFX magazines. So far we've looked at these two, issues 13 and 14, and I would say issue 14 was my favourite cover, my favourite issue in terms of the content, but January, issue 13, is my favourite cover. And I always like to sort of compare the covers when I'm doing this. I've got a feeling this one's going to be the best cover actually. Straight away you got a little, look at the way they've done that sort of splatter. It's little things like that that I love about the way ImagineFX do their covers. So let's have a look. Boing! Oh yes! Oh yes! The back's beautiful. I was expecting the cover to be the same as that, but look at that. I've got a feeling that's going to be the best cover of the year. There's been some really beautiful covers so far. They've all been females, which I like. I know in the 2022 ImagineFX magazines, they sort of diversified very much with different... They had like blokes and all the rest of it. But I like it when you get females on the covers. So straight away I'm thinking that's my favourite cover. I hope the inside's is good. Now there is actually a free book with this one, look. Dun 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 dun. What do you think it is? The Ultimate Guide to Coal Painter. I was hoping for a little like graphic novel or something. That's quite interesting though. Oh cool, it's got a little FX Pose section. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. I'm amazed it's still in here because I bought this magazine second hand on eBay. She's nice, look. I'm amazed it's still in here. I don't think the DVD is, but I might have the DVD on my shelf. But little Felipe is going to get us into this one. Dun, 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 dun. I love that image. I really love that image. I like the sketch as well, look. She's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love that. Here's our little editor Rob. I'm excited for this one. I just want to see more of this artist's work. Beautiful. That's a cool little character as well. That's an advert. Got loads of stuff in here. So this is the FX Pose section. I like that, look. Look at it, look. Little tiny people down there. Imagine seeing that in the sky. A massive tortoise. Reminds me of Discworld. Oh, cool. Well, this is the best FX Pose section of 2007 so far. We've got a giant fishy. I like that. I had a lucid dream the other night, and I got told that stars are like bubbles in water. Just looking at that reminded me of that, because it made me feel like actually everything is inside of water. We just don't realise it. Because does a fish know that it's in water? If a fish never gets out of the water, it doesn't really know it's in the water. So how do we not know that we're inside some sort of water? That's the thing. We've got a dragon as well, look. Oh, I like that. I like it when you get like a light and dark in the same image. futuristic. That's a bit like Trackmania. Reminds me of Trackmania. Oh yeah, look. Wow. Oh yeah, look. If that was on the cover, that's the artist. I've changed the camcorder so it's got a manual focus, because the automatic focus kept going out of focus all the time. But what it means is I can't zoom in too much now because it loses focus. That's amazing. I would love that on the cover. FX Pose online, look, that's new. Album art. Oh, that would be a good little sort of multi-page article thing, to have loads of different album art and have the artists talk about it. The Manga Simpsons. Did you watch? They actually made a manga. They made a Simpsons Death Note. I saw a little bit of it on YouTube. It actually looked really cool. And it made me think I'd love to see the whole Simpsons in an anime style. Final Fantasy 12, look. Cool. Final Fantasy is such a cool series. Hey, what's happened here? Look, that's been ripped out. It's like an advert thing. Look, the Wii. The Wii must have just come out. Win a Nintendo Wii. That's quite funny. Last year I went to WonderCon 2006. Letters! Artist Q&A. Little zombies, look. That's nice. It's interesting, sort of like a human fly thing. Top 10. Oh, cool, they did do it. Top 10 heavy metal album art covers. Cool. Yeah, this is brilliant. That's what I wanted. Kiss. Kiss have actually got a comic book out. I saw an advert in one of my comics for a Kiss comic, which is meant. I wonder if there's an Iron Maiden one as well. The art of the metal cover. It's amazing me how many franchises have got comics. I love this artist. I'm not even going to try and say that name because I'm not very good at saying names, but I love this artist. Look, everything's brilliant. Every so often you'll see, hey, it's Kurt Russell from Big Trouble Little China. They've done a cover art as well, look, for a comic. Beautiful. Yeah, every so often you'll come across an artist and it's almost like everything they do, you love it. Look, these are beautiful, these are. Little Red. It's an artist I'd look into. Look, their vital statistics. I wonder if you can read that. Oh, I love that hat. Absolutely love that. Have they got a website? Yeah, look, the website is www.liquidbrush.com. Hey, look, he worked for Dark Horse Comics and he now works for EA. So he's definitely got the skills. Painter X. Artist portfolio of Mikko. I like that name, Mikko. Mikko Kinnunen. Oh, what a cool looking name, look. That's like, that name is like a work of art. With the way all the letters are. That just, those letters in that combination makes me feel content. Beautiful. It's a cool artist as well, look. It's not the sort of subject matter I'm normally into, but I can still admire the beauty. Here's the FX Pose Pro, look. Another dragon. Oh, I like this one as well. That's a bit like Borderlands. Cell shaded. Beautiful portraits. Yay! Look, we're seeing the sketches as well, look. That's on the DVD, look. It's beautiful, it is. The Hell Tree. That's weird, look. That's mental, that is. 25 custom brush tips. Tips all about the brushes. Photoshop. Integrating texture detail. This is cool, look. I thought of that thing from Neverending Story when I just saw that big thingy. And also I thought a bit of like Shadow the Colossus. It's interesting, that is. But I've got that one. I think I've got that one as well. I love these books. Ballistic Publishing. They're very expensive though. Spotlight. I like the shape of her legs. She's a bit like a sort of a sexy demon creature thing. Rainy downtown. Looks a bit like a little model thing. Here's the reviews. It's quite funny going through these reviews because they're like 16 years old now. Exotic 2. Beautiful. Hellboy, look. I wonder if Ballistic Publishing is owned by Future Publishing or something. Oh, look at that. That's the next one. That's what we're looking at next week. Some crazy thing. This is the back of the cover. It looks cool. So I think it's going to be another interesting issue next week. Now we're going to get a little comic at the back. Yay! Part 3. I like that. And that's it. That was brilliant. I would say that one has got the best artwork in it so far. Issue number 14 had the best articles, and I think that one's probably the best issue so far for me. It's got a beautiful cover and really nice content as well. So next week we're going to be looking at this one, which will be issue number 16 I think. But I hope you enjoyed this one. This was issue number 15 for March 2007 of the ImagineFX magazine, and I shall see you later for another one.